Well, I woke up one morning with everything I own around me, a pocket full of money and a cold and empty heart. I spent a lifetime chasing rainbows, watching life go by through windows, and I bet a rich man's fortune on this worthless house of cards. It took me way too long to find that the best things in life are free, and the rest ain't worth a dime. I need more of what matters every moment that I have here, 'cause it's all that you take with you when you go.